If you're hosting a garden party, what better way to dress up your table than with a living centrepiece? So I've just come back home with everything I need from Mitre to complete the project. Now you could use one central pot as your living centrepiece, or you can do what I do and use a cluster of pots. So I've just got a nice little collection here of Northcote Pottery's Italian terracotta pots in different shapes and sizes. I'm going to fill it with the perfect potting mix. Always make sure you use a premium potting mix like this. It makes all the difference in terms of growth and performance of your plants. This one's got lots of added goodies too. So there's 6 months worth of controlled release fertiliser in there. We've got some wetting agent to help water get deep into the root zone of your plants, and some trace elements which are vital for plant growth. I've gone for a red and white theme here, which is really festive. So I've got plants like kalanchoes, beautiful white lavender, and some geraniums. But you could go for any different kind of colour scheme depending on the theme of your garden party. And for an added boost, don't forget to feed your plants from season to season. So just give them a little dose of Scott's Osmocote controlled release fertiliser. This one's all purpose, so it can be used on every plant in the garden. Just sprinkle it around the base of your plants and it'll provide them with all the nutrients they need as they need them. Now that our plants are looking good, it's time to dress the table. The scene is set for the perfect garden party.